Okay, pardon. Now the work be this one. Now here now be the water heater position, the cold line, the hot line. So now be this one. Then here so maybe our shower mount, our cool line, our hot line. Then here so now be the drillage, flood drill where water want dey pass, they go outside. One for inside the glass, then one for outside the glass in case of water touch ground. May go dey pass this one they go. Then this one now be the control box or control junction. Anyone. You see, if you lock am like this now, water no dey enter inside the toilet. If you open am like this, sharp. This one be the supply to the toilet. For here now, we will come get crusty and go valve. One go dey supply the toilet, one go dey supply the bumper wash. Well, this one be the washing basin waste. This one be the supply. So, that be this one. So, that one be that one. Then the same thing for here. Here now our shower, our water heater, hot and cold, the control box, also the control junction, then the floor drain, one inside the glass, then the second floor drain, one outside the glass in case of water pour for ground. Washing basin waste, the supply, toilet supply. Here now we get it trusty and govern. One will serve the toilet, one will give the bubble wash. Then here now be the toilet position. So the work is going. Then here now be the kitchen position, the waste pipe, the supply pipe. Yes, so just for the start. Then same thing here. Washing basin, the waste, the supply, the floor drain outside the glass, the control junction, also the control box, the supply to the toilet. We can still get bumper wash from here. One to the toilet, one to the bumper wash. Then the floor drain inside the glass, inside the shower. Then here is the shower position, the cool line, the hot line. Then here is our shower, our water heater position, the cool, the hot. So then here is our WC. Then everything is okay. Here also same thing. Washing basin supply to the toilet, control junction, flooding outside the glass. Then this one inside the glass. Then our water heater position, hot and cold. Our shower, hot and cold position. So then here we get our washing basin, waste, then supply for there. It's very, very important. So we start from here, from this one. So we break them because the main pipe for fit inside. So as we break them, constipation to the end. So now we break them so we don't see passion. Then we can check them from inside house. With the waste for the washing basin, the supply, floor drain outside the glass, toilet position, supply to the toilet. Also we can get bumper wash from here. Floor drain inside the glass, our control junction, then our water heater position, cool and hot, our shower, cool and hot. So this is the pipe inside, the 4 inches also. Sharp. Then this one same thing. Washing basin, the waste, the floor drain outside, the supply to the toilet, also we can get bubble wash from here. The control junction, our water heater position, our shower, cool and hot, this is it. Work is going steadily well. So yeah, the supply to the toilet, the control box. Then here's our washer and basin supply. Then here's our shower, our cool and hot. We are still plastering the place. So then here's our hotline, our cooler, hotline, cooler. So this is it. We are still missing another smith, so we are still working. Then here's the washing and basin position supply, our WC, supply to the WC, our shower, then our water heater position, cool, hot. So then here's the control junction, and this is it. We'll see plaster this one as the first one. And then here's our flooding position. This one is outside the glass, this one is inside the glass.